Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at the Mplify Member Summit EMEA in Lisbon, and today I'm joined by Stan Hubbard, he's Principal Analyst at Mplify. Stan, welcome to my HOTShot.
Thank you, Isabel. Great to be here with you.
So Stan, I've heard that Mplify has recently launched a new research series. What is it all about?
Well, this research series is really about building out the automated ecosystem that will support network as a service for AI. It's really driven by three trends, right? AI is driving a transformation of networks. Network as a service is going to become the automated supply chain that supports agentic workloads. And the third very important element is that AI-ready infrastructure is going to become the new battleground, the new competitive battleground for service providers worldwide.
I'm interested in the new LSO Service Solution Provider landscape report. What is it all about? What are the key findings?
Okay. Well, so that's the first report we're rolling out, and that report is coming out in June. And this LSO Solution Provider report is part of a three-part series. We're looking at companies that can help service providers get up and running with LSO APIs that can help build out that automated ecosystem. We cover 5 dimensions in that report, where you're a service provider, you're a buy and sell provider, buy or sell side provider, you're an enterprise that can play within that ecosystem, your data center player, and IXC. All of these can implement these APIs and transact with those APIs. So that's the first part. So it's an ecosystem player. A second element that we look at are the APIs themselves. We're talking about business APIs and operational APIs. And this is east-west between buyers and sellers, okay? And that automates the full lifecycle functions between these players. The third, very importantly, is the transaction models that the LSO solution providers themselves support. That's direct implementation of the APIs or indirect, such as using a portal or an adapter or a broker, a hub type of system. So we explore the solutions that all of these companies offer in terms of their API support, their transaction model support, and what we call the product and service payloads. That's things like Carrier Ethernet, DIA, SD-WAN, and so forth. All these companies are spelled out in the report. We have a matrix in the report, and it really provides the most up-to-date information on the LSO solution provider landscape. And very importantly, we're also introducing another element, which is the agentic angle to this all. And that's the MCP enablement, right? So everybody's talking about agentic AI, everybody's talking about NaaS for AI, and then AI for NaaS. And these LSO solution providers are implementing that new AI enablement in their solutions.
Yeah, sounds like a really interesting report. I think I have to go and look at it. So for the people watching us today, what can they expect in the future from your research series?
So the second and third reports are really helping build out that automated ecosystem. In the second report, we're building on that first one. The LSO solution providers are helping the service providers implement. In the second report, we're looking at the adoption of those APIs worldwide. We're going to be updating all of our adoption data for the buyers and sellers, the types of APIs that they're implementing, what kind of payloads they're supporting, and we'll also update the business case. Right now, we're tracking more than 175 service providers worldwide that are in what we call the adoption lifecycle. We have more than 100 that are either implementing or planning to implement those APIs, and that includes about 60 that have actually implemented them directly. So we're going to be updating all that data. We're going to be having that by tier, by region, and we're going to explore the business case. And then the third report, it's all about NaaS for AI. Very hot topic. We've got a lot of sponsor support for that report, and it's going to be a very interesting one where we're going to go into the workloads. We're going to talk about repositioning of companies, because we're starting to see more and more NaaS service providers be positioning around NaaS for AI.
A lot of really interesting work ahead for you and the Mplify team. Looking forward to it.
Thank you very much.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next HOTShot.